Deep in the Bay of Bengal lies a secret world, a world of water and trees, of hidden creatures and silent predators. This is the Sundarbans, the largest mangrove forest on Earth. A maze of rivers and creeks, it stretches for over 10,000 square kilometers, a place of constant change, shaped by the relentless tides. The Sundarbans is a land of mystery and beauty. Its name means beautiful forest in Bengali, and it is easy to see why. The air is thick with the smell of salt and earth. The sunlight filters through the canopy, creating a dappled effect on the forest floor. Here the line between land and water blurs. The Sundarbans is a place of great biodiversity. It is home to a wide variety of plants and animals, many of which are found nowhere else on Earth. These creatures have adapted to survive in this unique and challenging environment, a testament to the power of nature's ingenuity. This is a place where tigers swim and fish climb trees, where the air is alive with the calls of birds and the rustle of leaves. Join me as we journey into the heart of this extraordinary ecosystem to uncover its secrets and meet its remarkable inhabitants. For the Sundarbans is a place that stays with you long after you leave. The Sundarbans is a world in constant flux, governed by the ebb and flow of the tides. Twice a day, the waters rise and fall, transforming the landscape. Mudflats appear and disappear, revealing hidden creatures and creating a dynamic environment. These tides are the lifeblood of the mangroves. They bring in nutrients and carry away waste, shaping the very structure of the forest. Mangroves, unlike most trees, thrive in salt water. Their roots, exposed at low tide, form a tangled network, anchoring them against the currents. These roots also act as filters, trapping sediment and creating a rich breeding ground for fish and other marine life. The constant flow of water creates a unique ecosystem, supporting a remarkable array of species. The Sundarbans is a testament to the adaptability of nature, a place where plants and animals have evolved to survive in a world of constant change, a place where the rhythm of the tides dictates the pulse of life. Mangroves, the guardians of these wetlands, are essential to the Sundarbans' survival. They are more than just trees. They are the architects of this unique ecosystem, shaping both the landscape and the life it supports. Their specialized roots, adapted to the saline environment, trap sediment and stabilize the shoreline, protecting the land from erosion and storm surges. They act as a natural barrier, shielding the coast from the full fury of the ocean. Beyond their protective role, mangroves provide a vital habitat for countless species. Their tangled roots offer shelter to fish, crabs, and invertebrates. Their branches become nesting sites for birds, creating a vibrant tapestry of life. The Sundarbans mangroves are a lifeline for local communities, providing timber for construction, fuel wood, and a source of livelihood. They are a powerful reminder of the interconnectedness of nature and human well-being. The Sundarbans, situated at the confluence of the Ganges, Brahmaputra, and Meghna rivers, is a delta region unlike any other. Here, fresh water from the rivers mixes with the salt water of the Bay of Bengal, creating a unique, brackish environment. This constant interplay of fresh and salt water shapes the ecosystem, supporting a diverse range of species adapted to this dynamic environment. The rivers also carry rich sediment deposited in the delta, constantly reshaping the landscape. These fertile deposits create ideal conditions for mangroves to thrive, fueling the growth of this extraordinary forest. The Sundarbans, therefore, stands as a testament to the power of rivers in shaping our planet, creating habitats and sustaining life. It is a vital reminder that the health of our rivers is intrinsically linked to the health of our oceans and the well-being of communities that depend on them.